absolute beautiful day to go for a walk. Oh my god, look at that beautiful sun. No, I need to go out right now. If you follow me, you will know that I am crazy about views. And this is a coastal view. Since we are in Alicante, the spot is 10 to 15-minute walk away from my home. So I'm just going to show you bits and pieces whilst I walk. But when I get to the spot, I will show you everything I have right now. Like right now, look at the views. Isn't that a beautiful view? Let me just zoom it. Yeah, look at that. Oh my god, I'm happy. Really happy. So I'm using a different route from what I usually use. Oh yeah, I think I'm lost, and I'm definitely lost because I don't think that gate leads you or takes you outside. Well, I'm gonna check. That's the fun part of it, being adventurous. Maybe I can just open it, or maybe not. Just a road between beautiful houses. Oh, this leads you to someone else's house. Damn. And nothing says it's a private road or it has no exit, right? I'm going back. Look, it's the road that doesn't say anything. You know, it just allow you go in there and it doesn't say, it lets you know where. So I'm back to the main road and let's see. I'm trying not to use Google Maps. Prove to myself that I'm local. Because I'm local, I have to be going to places with a map. So yeah, let's adventure go on. Everywhere I go here, I have with me a bottle of water. If my son is with me, of course, to take everything from home as well as me, because I trust. This water I take. And in case, of course, there are no shops around, which is the case right now, I have my water with me. Let's go. Okay, I found road that brought us here, but that's not the spot that I'm taking you. But look at the beauty. Look how beautiful it is. Okay, let's keep walking. Okay, so I think I found the beginning of my path to the spot I'm going or want to take you guys. Yes, this is it. So guys, get ready for beautiful views and let's go. Look how clean that is. So I'm taking you to the far end of that mountain. That's my spot. And when you are there, the views is just beautiful, spectacular. Rich people living just by the sea. Oh my god, so beautiful. The sound of this beautiful water crashing on the rocks. It's relaxing, therapeutic. Guys, let's keep going. This is a rocky beach. It has very less people. That's why I love this beach myself. One thing you need to bear in mind when you're walking in a place like this in Spain, or specifically Alicante, this area, all right? Spanish love nudity. it's not a big deal. Nudity is natural and beautiful. So in a place like this that has very less people, you can be walking and then you go upon a very nude guy or nude lady, and they will not be started. No, nobody gives a damn. It's okay. So just bear in mind that you might just come across someone who is nude, lying down on the rocky beach, enjoying the sun, tanning, and enjoying the natural sound of the sea. Don't be startled if you stumble upon a nude lady or a nude guy. Sometimes even in a normal beach, you're just there, and then some lady just woof take their bikini off the top off, and the breast is just bare there. They are people, they are guys, ladies, old, young, nobody cares. All right, so just want to let you know that it's very normal. Isn't this so beautiful? So yeah, this is my spot. This is where I love to come, take a walk, listen to the waves of the sea, and just look at that. You have the mountainside where you can hike, get on top, get beautiful views, and then you do have this. Ooh, this is a luxury at no cost. Can you see it already, people? Oh, I'm walking at the edge of this hill, very steepy hill. Let me pay attention so I don't fall. We don't want to make history of another girl falling whilst creating content. All right. So guys, this is it. It's a little bit windy. I didn't bring my microphone, but this is the spot. Look how beautiful and amazing. Oh my god, isn't it just beautiful? And look at that. Oh my god. So this is my spot. This is where I love to come. It's really beautiful. And like I said, you might just stumble upon some naked person, but that's cool. And that's one thing I love about Spain. Look, it's so beautiful. You can just have a romantic dinner, you know, here. What you're watching, nature. Oh my god, so beautiful. So beautiful. Guys, I definitely kind of have enough of this place, but I'm hungry and it's lunchtime, so I have to head home. And like I will always say, be bold, be you, do whatever you want to do, say whatever you want to say, as long as you're not hurting anyone. Remember that. But most of all, stay motivated and inspired. It's adios on this one. I will see you in the next video.
Stay motivated and inspired.